hope you all are good at children's. Before coming to the chapter, that is chapter number 1, Maths, we will just learn what is looking back. In normal word, that looking back means when some friend calls you from the back, we just turn back and say, yes, what are you saying? Or your teacher calls you, then you turn back. But in this chapter, that this looking back is not that your friend is calling, your teacher is calling, that. But this chapter is about what we have just read in the previous class. That is the quick revision of the previous class. Now, what is the first topic? Numbers up to 100. Now children, open page number 7 of your maths textbook, and just there is one picture, the rough picture, and the numbers are given there. You have to join that dot from 1 to 100, and then the beautiful picture will be made. Then the homework you have is that you have to color that picture. Coming to the next page, that is page number 8. You have question number 2. What the question is saying, just we will read. Put your finger on the question. Write the numerals for the following. Now what are the numerals? That is the spelling of the number, which we call it number names. What is the first spelling? 33. This is question number 2. A. The spelling is 33. Now you have to write the numerals, that is the number. Now this is the number name and you have to write the numeral. So how you will write? You will just write 33. This is only we call 33. So for example, I have done the A part of the second question. Rest all you have to do as your homework, and I hope that you have completed the homework earlier. Next question number 3. We have the question, write the number name for the following. Now we have the number given and we have to write the name of that number. So first one is 87. Question number 3, A part, we have 87. This is the numeral which is given to us, and we have to write is the number name. So just write 87. And what is this 87? The number name. Rest you have to do as for the homework. Question number 4. Coming to the 4th question, what the question says? Write the missing numbers by counting forward. What is forward counting means? When we count the next number which we have. Just if we have if we start the counting from 1, what will come after 1? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now we will do the first question, that is 4th A part. We have, here is the question number 4, A part. What numbers we are having? 22 and 23. Now we have to write the rest of the numbers. They are 6 blocks we are having. Now we will write what the number will come after 23. That is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and last 29. In this way, you have to do the B part and the C part. Coming to the next question, question number 5. Now in this question, what you have to do? Write the missing numbers by counting backward. What is backward? When we write the counting in reverse form. That is, starting from the last, that is from 10, and coming to the top, that is 1. So, in A part, we have the first block, that is blank. Then we have 76. After we have 75. Rest all blacks are blank. And we have to fill by writing the numerals, that are the numbers. Here's the question number 5 we have. It's A part. First is blank. Second we have 76. Third we have 75. After that we have 5 blanks. What will come before 76? You all know counting very well. Till 100 we have read earlier. So just tell me what will come before 76. That is 77. Now we are counting from the back. First what comes? 77, 76, 75. Now what will come here? That is 74, 73, 72, 71 and 70. This is the backward counting, starting from down and coming to the up. How we do in the school? When we are on the top floor, we go to the lower floor. We come down from the stair. So in the case of the numbers, we are at the down and we are coming to the up. Question number 6. Write the numbers that come just before, just after the given numbers. In question number 6, look in your textbooks everyone at page number 8. A part is done for us. Now we will move to the B part. In question number 6, we will do the B part. Which number is given to us? That is 46. Here is one blank and the other blank is here. Now what we have to do is, we have to write the number that will come just before 46 and the number after 46. So what comes before 46? 45. And what is the number that comes after 46? The number is 47. Rest all the questions are to be done by you. I hope you are understood till now. Coming to the next page, page number 9. We have question number 7. Write the number that comes between the given number. Now what is between? Between means if you sit in a classroom and you are sitting in the middle. Here is one friend and the other friend is here and you are in between both of them. So that is the meaning of between. The first A part is done for us. We have to do the second, that is the B part. Question number 7. B part we are going to do. The numbers we have 25, blank and 27. The example was of yours that you are sitting in the between and now here should be one number. Now which number is going to sit here? Here is 25, here is 27. Now which number should be in between? What comes after 25 and before 27? Children, tell me what is the number? That is 26. The next question we have on page number 9. Observe the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Now here the pattern is given to us and we have to complete that pattern and complete the question. In A part there are some numbers, that is 8, 10 and 12. Now in this question what we have to do is, first we will understand what is the pattern that is being made over there. You all know the tables. So it is related to table only. Or we will see the difference, that which number comes after what number, or what is the difference between the two or the three numbers which are being mentioned in your textbook. Now, question number 9. Sorry, question number 8. A part, we have 8, 10 and 12. This is given in your textbook. And after this we have the 5 blanks. Have you noticed, children, that after 8, 2 is just plus 2, 10. Which number is added to this? 2. 8 plus 2, what it makes? 10. So after 10, what is the number? 12. In this 12, again in 10, we add plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. This is the pattern. So the next question, we have to add 2 to every pattern. In 12, we add 2. 12 plus 2, what is 14? After 14, what we will do? Just add 2. 14 plus 2, 16. In 16, we will add 2. What number will come here? 18. In 18, if we add more 2, what will come? 20. After 20, we have to add more 2. What will come? 22. So this was the pattern in the A part. In part B and C, you have to find out what is the pattern. This was all about our first exercise, and this was the revision of your previous class. Now coming to the next topic, we have the topic ordinal numbers. Now children, tell me, what are ordinal numbers? When you sit in the classroom, you all have your own positions. That position is known as the ordinal numbers. Means ordinal numbers are those which tell us the position. That if you stand in a line and your friend is standing before you and after you. So before is the first position and after is the third position. And in between, which number will come? The second, and that is your position. So on page number 9, we have some questions and we have to complete that. Use the picture, circle the answer. One has been done for you. Which step is just below the 12th step? Now, here is one picture given in your textbook. Just see on page number 9. Now this is the picture, and in this picture, what you have to do is, there is the 12th step. Now find out the 12th step and just tell me below that, means 12 is here and below the down, which number is here? That is 11. So we have to circle the 11. In the options, that A, B and C, we will circle the 11th one. Next we have the question, which step is above the 18th step? Now, here is the picture, and in this, here is the 18th step. And what you have to do? Just above 18. Means 18 is here and just above. Which number is there? That is 19. In this, which option is 19? The C option. You have to circle the 19. Now children, the rest questions from 3 to 6 you have to complete by yourself. Coming to the next page, page number 10. There is one topic, the number line. Have you all read about the number line? No. Okay. Now we will learn what is the number line. Now children, this is the line, and On this line we are going to represent the numbers. The number line starts from 0 and ends to some number. So we will make numbers up to 10. Before starting the number line, we have just read about the ordinal numbers. Now, what are ordinal numbers? The numbers which show the position. In this, I am going to write that what these numbers are showing the position. 0, after that 1. So this is the first position. 0 is the first number, so it is the first position. Now, coming to the fourth. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 is on which position? It is on 5th position. Coming to the page number 11, we have self-practice 1A exercise. In this, there is the first question. Write the missing numbers on the number line. Now, there is one number line given to you in question number 1, and what you have to do is that you have to fill the numbers, that what number will come after which. One A, question number 1. A part, a number line is given to you. First we have 54. Then there is a blank. A circle is made. Then 56. Again one circle. 58. Again one circle. 60. Then circle. 62. And the last is 63. Now we have to write the missing numbers which will come in these circles. After 54, what will come? 55. Then we have 56. After 56, which number will come? 57. We have 58. After 58, 59. Next we have 60. What will come? 61. The rest are given to us. Like this, you have to do the B part of question number 1. I hope, children, that till now everything is clear to you. Starting with the next question. The question is, use the number line to write the number in the blank circle. Now, one number line is given to you and the table is being made. Start at, here is the table. Just see on page number 11. Here. What is written in the table? Start at 4. From where you have to start? From 4. Jump to the right by 3. How much you have to jump? To 3. Starting from the 4 and jumping 3. 1, 2 and 3. Which number you will get? 7. So this is one form of addition. We will just learn how this is done. Question number 2, part A. This is the number line given to you. What is written? Start from 4. This is 4. We have to start from 4. And how much we have to jump? 3 numbers. This is 4, jump 1, jump 2 and jump 3. So how much we jump? 3, and this is the 4. So what is the number we have? 7. So at which number we have to stop? After jumping 3, we have to stop at the number which we get after jumping 3, and the number is 7. Now where the stop at written in your textbook here, what you have to do? You have to write 7th, because we are stopped at 7, and by adding 4 and 3 the number we get is 7. So this is the new form of addition. And the rest questions you have to do by yourself. Question number 3. Show the following operations on the number line. What you have? 8 plus 2. What you will do is, you will again make a number line. The numbers given to us is 8 plus 2. From which number we are going to start? From 8. This is the number 8. We will start 2 times. 1 and 2. The number we get is 10. So by adding 8 plus 2, what we get is 10. In question number 3, you have to write here 10, and you also have to do this. So from 8, you have to go from 8 to 9, then 9 to 10. How many steps are given to you to jump? You have to jump that many steps, and starting from the number which is given first. Next, coming to the page number 12. The next topic we have is the place value. You have already learned about the place value in the previous class, that was class 1. You know what are place values, which shows the position of the numbers, that on which position the number is, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and so on. Topic is place value. What is place value? Earlier we have learned that we have ordinal numbers that shows our own place, that on which position we are standing. Same in the case of the numbers. Numbers also have the places. So that numbers are called place value. Here I will take one example. I will write 54. Can you tell me what is the position of 5 and what is the position of 4? No. We always have to give the name to the number from the right hand side to the left side. Starting from 4, the first position, the 4 is at the first position and it has the ones place. The 5 is on the second position, its place is tens. This O means ones and this T means tens. So in numbers, they also have places and these are place values, ones and tens. Looking at the page 12, you have exercise self-practice 1B. In question number 1, what you have to do is write the number. Now you have to write the numbers. Look in your textbook. Here are the blocks. This side and this side. Same in the case of numbers, this and this. So these blocks are of the ones place and these are of the tens. So children, you have to just count the blocks from the ones place and write the digit here, and count these blocks from the tens place and write the digit at the tens place. Like this, you have to complete the question number 1 at page 12. Coming to the next page, that is page number 13. Write the numbers shown by the abacus in this circle along with the number names. Now, we will just see how the abacus looks like. Have you ever seen the abacus? Okay, I'll draw for you. This is how the abacus looks. This is the tens place and this is the ones place. We will take one example. Now count how many circles are at the tens place. Sorry, first we will count from the ones place because we start from the right and end with the left one. So at ones place, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what will come at the ones place? 6. And at tens place, how many circles are there? Only 1. So what will come? 1. So this is ones place and tens place. And this number is called 16. Now we have to write the spelling also. So how we will write? S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Now we will do the question number 2, A part. The first question we have, question 2A part. We will count from ones place. How many circles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We will write 7 at the ones place. And at tens place, how many circles? Only 1. The number we get is 17. And we also have to write the number name for this number. So what we will write? 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Like this, children, you have to complete all the parts, that is B, C, D, E and F. Coming to the next question, draw the beads on the abacus to show the number given in the circle. Also write the number names. The next question is that the abacus is being made and given to you, but there are no beads in that abacus. But they have given you the number. So what you have to do is you have to draw the beads in it by seeing the numbers of the ones and the tens place, and you have to write the number name. The first A part I will do for you. Question number 3, part A. Like this, the abacus is given to you. This is blank and the number is 74. Now, you know that 4 is at which place? Ones place. So, how many beads will come? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At tens place, what is the number we have? 7. So, how many beads will come? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to write the spelling of 74. What is the spelling of 74? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. F-O-U-R. 4. 74. Like this, you have to complete the part B and C. Next we have the question number 4. Write the numbers and number names for the following. Now the numbers are given to you and they are written like this: 2 tens and 0 ones. What 2 tens and 0 ones make? That is 20. So in this circle given to you, you just have to write 20 and you have to write the name of that number, that is 20. I'll show you how you have to do. Question 4, part A. 2 tens plus 0 ones. This is given in your textbook. Then the circle is being made. And here is one blank. 2 tens, then tens place is at the left side. So we will write 2 here. 0 ones, ones comes at the right hand side. What it is made? It is 20. Now we have to write the number name for the 20. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Like this you have to do the B and the C part. Coming to the next page, page number 14. Here we have the next topic, that is expanded form and the short form. Now we are going to learn what is expanded form and what is the short form. You all know the place values, ones, tens, 100. Now here I am going to write one number and you will tell me that it is ones place, tens place, and how we will write in the expanded form. Expanded form. The number is 75. This place is ones and 7 is tens. This though you all know that 5 is ones place and 7 is tens place. Now we have to write this in the expanded form. So how you will write? 7, it is at tens place. So what we will do? We will multiply 7 with 10. And this is what it will become? 70. Now we will write here 70. Then we will plus ones is at ones place is 5. So it will be multiplied with 1 because it is at ones place. So 5 multiplied by 1 comes 5. We will add this 5 to this 50. This is called the expanded form of a number. Now if the expanded form is given, like taking the next example to form the short form. Here we are doing the short form. Now what is the short form? Here we have learned about the expanded form. Now again one more problem, that is make this expanded to the short form. First we were having the short form, then we have to make the expanded form. Now we have the expanded form and we have to make the short form. So we will take one example here. We will take 80 plus 2. This you all know, expanded form. Convert this expanded form to short form. What we will do? This is 80. How this 80 has come? We had multiplied 8 with the 10. So it is 80. 8 is at the tens place. We will write here 8. 0. It will come at the ones place. If we add 2 to this number and it is at the ones place, what the number we get is 8 plus 0. If you have 2 plus 0. If you have 2 chocolates and I give nothing to you, how many is left with you? Only 2. So this 2 will come here. And at tens place you have 8. There is no other chocolate you could add in this 8. So what you will do? We will just write 8. And this number we get is the short form. Like this we have to complete the exercise at page number 14. Self-practice 1C. First question is write the numbers in expanded form. In the first question, the number is given to you and we have to write that number in the expanded form. Just now we have read what is the expanded form and the short form. So here we have the questions, more and more questions to do. Starting with the first question. Question number 1 on page number 14. A part we have 89. We have to write this 89 in the expanded form. I told you that 9 is at 1's place and 8 at the 10's place. So to make this 880, what we will do? We will multiply 8 with 10. What comes? 80 plus 9. How the 9 will come? We will multiply 9 with 1 and we will get 9. So like this, children, you have to do the rest of the questions till part H. Coming to the next question, that is, write the numerals for the following. Now what the question number 2 is saying to you? The expanded form is already given to you and you have to write the numbers. That is, in the first question we have the numbers and we have to convert that number in the expanded form. Now we are given the expanded form and we have to write the number for that. In question 2, the A part is 20 plus 8. Now we have to write the number. 8 will comes at the 1's place and 2 will come at the 10's place, because if we add 8 and 0, what the number we get? The 8 only. Like this, children, you have to complete till H part. Next we have comparing numbers. We have already read about the comparing numbers. In that we will learn the greater sign, the less sign, or the equal to sign. This is the greater sign, this is the smaller, and the equal to. This is called the comparing numbers. We will take one examples for each. Now we will take the example 5 and 8. In this, which is more, the 8 or the 5? If you have 8 chocolates and if your friend is having 5 chocolates, so who is having the more chocolates? The 8 chocolate which your friend is having or the 5 one? Obviously the 8 chocolates. So the crocodile mouth will open at the 8. Coming to the next, that is the smaller sign. Now if you have 9 teddy bears and your friend is having 4 teddy bears, so from 9 and 4, who is having the less teddy bears? Your friend is having the less teddy bear. So the crocodile mouth will be closed at 4. Now equal. If you and your friend both are having the equal chocolates, so which sign will come? The equal to sign. If you have 10 chocolates and your friend is having the 10 chocolates, you both are having the equal chocolates, so the equal to sign will come here in between. Now moving to the next page, page number 15. That is, we have the exercise self-practice 1D. Here we have the question 1. Fill in the first, we will read the question number 1. Fill in the circle with greater, smaller, or equal to sign. Also read the number sentence aloud. How I am reading the numbers? Same way you also have to read the numbers loudly. Now, I hope, children, you all have understood till now what I have explained to you. So, you have homework at page number 15. Complete exercise self-practice 1D by yourself. Thank you.